I know I've been inactive for a few days, man, but I've been busy. We about to get the Charger together right now, man. About to go get some new tires. We already got the tires. About to get them put on. About to go get my tires put on, and then I'm gonna go to my homie new shop, show y'all his little new spot, and then shit, I'll probably put my brakes and rotors on, and maybe my tail light tint and stuff, my headlight tint, probably do that today too. But for sure the brakes and rotors, and I'm gonna paint my calipers red. So yeah, let's get headed to the tire shop, man. I ain't started this bitch in a couple days. I started to get it out the spot, but I ain't started since. So see how this bitch coming. Y'all know the vibes, steady loud, man. My other phone broke, so the quality might not be as good as the last videos, but I'm trying, man. My video had cut off with my phone connected to the Bluetooth, but my new phone should be here either today or tomorrow, so I should have my better camera again for y'all. I'm gonna get y'all together, but I'm headed to the tire shop right now, so I'm gonna get with y'all when I get there. I'm pulling up to the store right now, well, the shop right now, man. Yeah. I know y'all missed that, man, because I missed it. I ain't been in this car for like 2 weeks probably. I ain't drove the car since the little situation that happened. But man, ooh, I love this. I miss this, man. I miss this. But I'm pulling up to the store right now, man, so I'm gonna get y'all in a second. I'm gonna go to the shop, man. Yep. Baby's put on, man. If y'all in the QC, man, come fuck with my boy. We in Rock Island on 11th Street. Come fuck with him. On my last 2 tires, man.
You got the wrong one, didn't I? This is spare?
Yeah, that's my spare.
You want the rest of them back here too?
I already got 3 of them in the back. You just throw, yeah. Cause that's the last one, ain't it? Yeah, that just go my back seat. We almost back riding, man. One more tire to go. got all my tires on now. I'm leaving the tire shop right now. I'm about to go to the crib, get washed up, get dressed real quick. Then we finna go to my boy's shop and go get this car work done, man. Ooh, this bitch already ride way better. Bumpy ass street. It feel way better with these tires on it for sure. Bust on the roof so y'all can hear the car breathing, man. Bitch sound good. I miss this bitch. I'm sorry I cuss a lot in my videos. I'm gonna try to get that to stop, but it's just a habit. I need to stop cussing though, so little kids can watch my videos and stuff, and I can start making money off this shit. But I definitely like how this bitch ride. So I'm gonna hit y'all when I'm pulling up to my boy's shop. I'm gonna end today's video right here. Just gonna do the tires in today's video. I'm gonna do my brakes. My brakes and rotors gonna be a separate video. My tint's gonna be a separate video. Each video gonna be different video, so I can bring more content for y'all and just not have one long video of everything. So make me more consistent too. So that being said, gonna end the video. Like, subscribe, share, comment, all that. Let me know what y'all wanna see too, man. Catch y'all later.